Do you have a crush? No. Why?
I don't like you anymore.
Pelok perjom das ngiting in yale ultra high level no las ngo thik ko mo nong mi khmat jongno re jongno imat dei tang nong mi khmat jong la di ba jong ki khun trai idan mata ni mga balawan bad damang ni damang lasyo samkhia uri ura begini lej sapo Ribhoi college begini lej ko program oh he ba clear de ngin siam yu hante ngin le yu hante sepe ni video do menekut dengar ngom pada tip ha kan long nu tenre ke bang step hi kalong ban le le hilo de ngin dan sini menta jan boro sisngi ngin keno beki kena beki kai ban ngin dan tani program di mentala shipho buje thik ke program kelas dang ni ngin nak sakut halenti di setang pembahasan minit nang ni ngilapoi. I hope we are there on time. Hadian Jakarta ingin saya sedang mau perlok ini video udah menakut. Yeah, nombor. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. Ribhoi College. Ya, paring dah hidamang mentah kham trim damang paring video. Spring lemlek damang. Yeah, masuk kat ministar. Kat ministar. Halo porok-porok matai situ ni GoPro jom takut. Kita subscribe ya ke channel Oh My God, subscribe no mah. Mah. Ke situ channel jom kita ke.
Ke channel nang pensai.
Ke channel jom ni ru subscribe na ubud ya lah ya ikut tidak cek. Ada lah yang terai. Ke high level ni high level. Du menir asal khan một phong cột sepi cột senakan sikut phong cột di bak cột
It's a great pleasure to have our esteemed chief guest for today's function, Madam B. Rani, the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, who have demonstrated remarkable dedication to public service in our district. Madam, we are deeply grateful for your invaluable support.
What does a content creator do? Advertisement. Advertisement? Yeah, I don't work in advertisement here. What? Reels? Stalking? Vlogging? Oh, nice. I like that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the students from 5 different colleges, right? And I would like to ask, how many of you have tried vlogging in your life? Okay, maybe vlogging is too embarrassing to take out the camera and start vlogging. So let me just ask, how many of you have started or maybe at least tried doing videos or doing content in your life? Anyone? Yes? Okay, we have one there. Another one? Yes. Alright, now, what do you usually say? Or what do you see when you watch a YouTube video? Or maybe a vlogger? Okay, at the very beginning of the video, what do they say? Ah, nice, smart, yeah, these students are very smart. Okay, how about we do that? Can we do that? Yes? Okay. Let's all say hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can we say that? Okay. So I have about 2.6 lakhs of subscribers in this channel that I'm going to upload, and maybe you can greet them. It's not a very huge number, but at least there are people watching. Okay. So let's just greet all the way from Ribhoi, all of the colleges from Ribhoi. I just want you to shout on top of your lungs, okay, and make them hear what Ribhoi students can do. Fine? Chicken? You don't have the right to fall asleep, okay? At this hour. Fine? Okay, let's do this. In 1, 2, 3, and say, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fine? You'll get an experience of a lifetime. Trust me. Okay? Now, in 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, welcome back to my district who are here for this program today, and we're going to talk, we're going to have a lot of activities, so stay tuned, watch this video till the end, and I think we will have a lot of surprises at the very end of this program also. So stay tuned and please drop the best comment for the Ribhoi college students here. Alright? Yes. Alright. That just because we have a big market, it doesn't mean that in front of you should go and become content creators. But use it to your advantage so that it will support you, support your career, support what you do. Please be sincere in your studies because Rome is not built in one day. Alright, now you can whisper to us and whisper to mother, and then we'll go on until the very end. Alright? Okay, have we come to the end? Yes? Alright. Okay, come. The last person, please come, and the first person, please come. The last person in the room heard from the whispering, Chinese whisper. Sing, let's go. Oh my goodness. Alright. Now, what did you hear? I don't know. Are you saying you don't know? Me asking you? No. You heard from them, I don't know. Take a guess. Okay. Take a guess. Take a guess. Okay. Sunshine. Okay, now check it out here. Sunshine again? Yes. Sunshine? Yeah. Yeah? Well, what you guys heard? The what? How the college preserve? How the college preserve? Yeah? Okay, here. Go for snack. Okay, stop. Now, it starts with something and ending with I don't know, okay? And something or somewhere, somewhere. Now, this is what I whispered to him. Can you tell her?
Sir said samosa and rasgulla are good for snacks.
So simple. Rasgulla and samosa are good for snacks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stop. Imagine.
What's the definition?
To sleep. Because I am lazy.
Do you have a crush?
No.
Why?
I don't like to anymore.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Why?
I don't like myself.
Nang po sa bukod bolog laimi nang niya na po nong po na Ribhoi College. But nga try pala ilo di kiki bro hay iba damang ila pening am tay peniyu no ipino mane. Di ngin say syemyang patahoy pag video nomor ba ka jingwan mutasi kalong ba uja bha bat ki kena nang ni na po tem Ribhoi bro ko way kena kuli tilesing say wan biang patahoy por dakiwe pa kirukam. Mentay ni bera pa sa shway pag jaka ni paano shlong. Siempre vi, voy para por la playa y sin, voy para el video. Luis Bon.